Launch director, go for launch.
And here we go in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engine ignition and liftoff. Liftoff with the Falcon 9 rocket on the SXM-11 mission. The Falcon 9 has cleared the tower. A little more than a minute into flight, the Falcon 9 rocket passing through max Q, point of greatest aerodynamic pressure on the vehicle, throttling back up on the Merlin engines. Good liftoff of the rocket so far, good ascent uphill, heading out towards this geosynchronous transfer orbit. Coming up to MECO here in the next few seconds. There you see MECO. Stage separation.
Stage separation confirmed. MVAC startup.
Coming up, the next major milestone is the 3-engine entry burn. Actually, we've got the Adam's tracker has it. Well done, Adam. And it looks like Pete's got it as well. Start of that entry burn. And conclusion of the entry burn in real time. And a good deployment of the SXM-11 satellite for SiriusXM.